Wow. Okay. Okay. I really love that song, man. I'd really love to make my own version out of it. That would be amazing. That would also be a nice way to test out something I got sent over the other day. Let me show you what I got the other day. I got this. What is this, Rahim? You might ask. Let me tell you. But first, let me put on something because I'm feeling a little bit cold. It's the new ASUS ROG ZEPHYRUS G14 ACRONYM. Boom. Though ROG might stand for Republic of Gamers, this laptop doesn't scream gaming from the outside. You got no RGB, no crazy logo. It definitely looks totally sleek. First, let me tell you how this got together. As a music producer, sound designer, and audio engineer, I work with applications that need a lot of CPU power. That's why I really got excited when I heard about this laptop. Because when I heard that ASUS and AMD is working on a CPU with 8 cores in a really small form factor, I thought this could actually replace my current machine. And they developed the AMD Ryzen 9 4900HS, which has 8 freaking cores with up to 4.3 gigahertz in this small form factor. It's crazy. But this thing was actually really hard to get the first or in the last couple of months because everybody wanted to hop on the AMD train. You might or you might not know, AMD right now is the thing besides Intel, of course, because AMD can deliver high power with high power efficiency, which is what everybody has been waiting for the last couple of years. On top of that, I one day got a push notification on my phone from Hypebeast. It said that ASUS is collaborating with the fashion brand ACRONYM, and I went crazy. But I had no clue how to get one, but luckily I was able to contact ASUS and they kindly provided me with one to check out and test out, and I'm so excited and so happy about it. You might see. But yeah, let's stop talking about specs. Let's test it out. Let's try it out. Let's see what this baby has got to offer, and we'll talk about specs after that.
You put me on a pedestal and tell me I'm the best. Raise me up into the sky until I'm short of breath. Fill me up with confidence, I say what's in my chest. Spin my words and tear me down until there's nothing left. Rearrange the pieces just to fit me with the rest. But what if I trip? What if I fall? Then am I the monster? Just let me know. And what if I sin? What if I break? Then am I the monster? Just let me know. I was 15 when the world put me on a pedestal. I had big dreams of doing shows and making memories, but some bad moods trying to act cool, upset by jealousy. Lifting me up, yeah, and tear me down. I take responsibility for everything I've done. Hold it against me like you're the holy one. I had a chip on my shoulder, I had to let it go. Cause unforgiveness keeps him in control. I came in with good intentions, then I let it go. Now I really wanna know. What if I trip? What if I fall? Then am I the monster? Just let me know. What if I sin? What if I break? Then am I the monster? Just let me know.
Wow, that was too easy for this beast. It was a blast to produce, record, mix and master and do everything. Every little thing on this little monster here. I just hooked up my two screens, my audio interface and all of my peripherals, and voila, it just replaced my main machine. So the CPU handled all of my tasks, or its tasks, pretty easily. And also very important for my daily work is a lot of fast RAM, because those huge authentic sounding orchestral sound libraries eat up all of it pretty quickly. So it came in handy that the G14 has 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM with 3200 megahertz high speed, baby, plus a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 Max-Q design with 6 gigabytes of DDR6 video memory for my video editing and my little gaming habit. Guys, we're still talking about a very compact and light notebook with only 1.7 kilograms and 2 centimeters thickness. It's amazing. I mean, did you see my old laptop? Oh, and not to forget the display. It comes with a 14-inch IPS matte panel, which is actually pretty neat. And we are looking at 1440p with an aspect ratio of 16:9. It is also Pantone validated and has an adaptive sync technology with 300 nits of brightness. Okay, all pretty neat you might say, but now comes the killer feature that really made me wanna have this little beast right away. The collaboration with techwear brand ACRONYM. Harrison Hugh, founder and designer, gave this performance beast a very sleek and kind of industrial design. The packaging alone was something I have never seen before. This air pack doubles as a laptop sleeve to protect and carry around your baby monster. There are so many little thought out details, even on the power brick, that I just don't know where to start. I mean, just look at it. The Enemy matrix on the top really makes the ROG ZEPHYRUS G14 stand out from all the other brands. Here you can see Harrison Hugh on the back of the screen. It is possible to animate almost anything you want, so it is easy to put in some text, even your battery status, or if you got mail. It is just amazing. It's an amazing little feature that really makes this laptop stand out. So all in all, I'm very happy with the performance of this little compact notebook. It is astonishing to see how much performance can be built in such a small form factor nowadays. I could only wish for more storage capacity, because virtual instruments sound libraries tend to be very big. So the integrated 1 terabyte PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD is quickly packed with software only. Thankfully, the G14 is equipped with more than enough fast ports, which guarantee quick and reliable data transfers. I really dig the design aesthetics of ACRONYM, but as good as the materials used for the surfaces of the laptop feel, especially here on the inside, they're very prone to show fingerprints. Oh, and one important thing left. The built-in speakers were unexpectedly great. Though I tend not to await too much from laptop speakers in the Windows sphere, these ones have some juice. Up-firing tweeters and down-firing subwoofers really produce a great representation of all kinds of audio material. In some situations they could have been a tad louder, but listening to Spotify while working on this video has been a freaking pleasure. Thank you ASUS for sending me over this amazing machine and letting me test it out and do a video about it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this kind of tech review with music in it, and I especially hope that you like my cover, or let's call it a reinterpretation of the song from Shawn Mendes and Justin Bieber. And let me know what you're looking for in your next notebook. Maybe I can check out one of those in the future. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, thumb up this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.